Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the file that I was creating as of now. We are going to do question number 37. Okay, till 36 I presume that we have covered a few questions.
Ma'am, you were telling that corporate tax and profit after tax.
Yes, I was about to tell that. See, corporate tax, let's say it's 1,000 rupees. Okay, and profit after tax, let's say it is 2,500. Now, this is profit after tax, means there must be some profit already, out of which the corporate tax has been deducted, and then I have got profit after tax. ठीक है, यानी कि कुछ ऐसा रहा होगा, profit before tax. Okay, profit before tax, something like this must be there. Then out of this I have deducted corporate tax, and then I got profit after tax. The profit after tax is given already. Corporate tax is also given. And this is the figure that we put in our calculations. हमें तो profit चाहिए होता है ना? तो profit निकालने के लिए मैं क्या करूंगी? मैं इन दोनों को add कर दूंगी, तो I will get this figure. That's what I did yesterday in the question. क्योंकि ये जो profit है, this profit is the main profit that we include in our calculations. Corporate tax is a part of it. मतलब इस profit में से कुछ part हम लोग share करते हैं further as corporate tax, dividend and retained earnings. तो हो सकता है कुछ ऐसा question भी आए आपको कि profit after making payment of dividend so and the dividend is so and so. उस केस में भी आपको डिविडेंड ऐड करना होगा so that you get the normal profit, main profit. Okay, बेसिकली नॉर्मल टर्म में मैं ये बोलूंगी कि हम ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट को ही कैलकुलेशन में लेते हैं, एंड ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट इज सम अमाउंट which is inclusive of every element into it, like corporate tax, dividend and retained earnings. Everything is there as a part of gross profit. जब हम उसमें से एक एक करके डिडक्शंस करनी शुरू कर देते हैं, like we have corporate tax, dividend and retained earnings, तब हमारे पास net profit बचता है. हम net profit को इसमें नहीं लेते हैं. Okay, I hope you have understood this part.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I am moving to, shall I move to question number 37 now? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, there is a problem in expenditure method that whether that depreciation we have to subtract or not.
Okay. देखो बेटा, if depreciation is subtracted, then what do we get? We get the net amount, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when the gross figure is given, then we will deduct depreciation. If net figure is given already, like yesterday in a question, net figure was given. Net domestic capital formation was given. It means that depreciation has already been deducted from the gross element. Okay. सिंपल सी बात है, आपको ग्रॉस में से डेप्रिसिएशन माइनस करना होता है, देन यू गेट नेट. जब आपको नेट ऑलरेडी गिवन है, तो फिर आप डेप्रिसिएशन को माइनस क्यों करोगे? ओके, तो इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस में आपके पास दो मेथड्स हैं टू सॉल्व दीज काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. पहला मेथड ये कि अगर आपको नेट में ऑलरेडी अमाउंट दिया हुआ है, तो आप वो नेट लेके बाद में डेप्रिसिएशन को कंसीडर मत करो, बिकॉज इट इज ऑलरेडी नेट, राइट? एंड इफ द नेट हैज बीन गिवन, then there is one more alternative solution to it. आप उसमें पहले डेप्रिसिएशन ऐड करके उसको ग्रॉस बनाओ, जैसे कि हम लोग एक्सपेंडिचर मेथड में क्या लेते हैं, ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन. तो पहले आप नेट को ग्रॉस में कन्वर्ट करो बाय एडिंग डेप्रिसिएशन इनटू इट, तो वो ग्रॉस हमारा एज इट इज फिट हो जाएगा यहाँ. फिर बाद में नेशनल इनकम निकालते हुए हम उसी डेप्रिसिएशन को दोबारा माइनस करें, तो वो वापस से नेट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. समझ में आ रहा है? लेट्स से आई विल जस्ट गिव यू एन एग्जांपल अगेन. अंडरस्टूड अभिषेक?
Yes, ma'am. Now we have to just check whether it is given gross domestic capital formation or net domestic capital formation.
एग्जैक्टली. इफ ग्रॉस इज गिवन तब तो कोई पंगा ही नहीं है, तब तो लेटर ऑन वी विल डिडक्ट डेप्रिसिएशन इन ऑर्डर टू कैलकुलेट नेशनल इनकम, देन इट इज एब्सोल्युटली नॉर्मल. But if net is given, then we need to be careful about the treatment of depreciation, because net is given already, then we do not have to consider depreciation. Simple सी भाषा में, अगर आपको नेशनल इनकम निकालना है और नेट डोमेस्टिक कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन दिया है, तो डेप्रिसिएशन पर पुट अ क्रॉस, वी विल नॉट टेक इट एट ऑल फर्दर ऑल्सो.
ठीक है मैम. Okay.
Okay. Any other doubt, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, Harshit is saying me that you please enter him in the meeting. He's
Harshit.
waiting.
Okay, actually, okay. Done. Bhumika and Harshit both are admitted. I'm sorry I did not see because I was busy with my this Excel part. Otherwise, I don't have any problem. How many participants we have? 20, including Shweta ma'am and me. Where the others are? Are they
Strength is
exhausted
less
with
today,
the computer test today? Many students are absent. Anyway, so income method now, I'm doing question number 37. You see, item wise, government final consumption expenditure is given. It is 50. So I'm putting that amount here. Then rent is given. Now you need to check whether operating surplus is given in the question or not. Whenever such kind of items are given, rent, interest, profit kind of things, then you need to check whether operating surplus is given or not. If it is given, then you will not take rent, interest and profit separately again. So in this question, it is not given. I'm taking rent. It is 150. Then I have opening stock, which I don't need right now. It might be used later on. Then I have interest, which I will take here. Interest, it is 80. Then I have profit. I will take that as well. That is 70. Private final consumption expenditure, that's 480. Then gross fixed capital formation. Now when gross fixed capital formation is given, then we need to add one more thing into it. What is that? Inventory investment. Gross fixed capital formation is 90. And now I need to have inventory investment also. You see, closing stock is given and opening stock is given, and the difference between the two is 15. So I'm going to put that. And now the total of these two is 105. All right. Net exports are also given, which is -5. Net indirect taxes, I don't need right now. Compensation of employees I need. So I'm putting that figure also. That is 200. Then I have consumption of fixed capital. I don't need it right now. Mixed income, I need, yes. So I have taken that also. That is 50. Done. Now, I think I have put all the relevant items here. Almost. 550 is the domestic income. I will add
550.
NFIA into it. That is 20, and my national income is 570 rupees in crores. Here also, if I see my GDP at MP is 630. That is calculated 630. And now I need depreciation. That is 20. I also need net indirect taxes, which is 60. And then NFIA is to be added, which is 20. So my national income in both the cases is equal. Understood? 570 rupees in crores. Question number 37. I'm randomly picking up some questions here, like we can do question number 39 also now. Question number 39. Calculate NNP at FC. What is NNP at FC?
National income.
National income. National income.
National income.
Calculate that. NNP at FC. Harshit, are you there? Shweta ma'am, how many participants do we have now?
Ma'am, 21, including you and me.
Less participants. Why? What is the problem? Anyway, mixed income of self-employed is the first category that is given here. I'm putting that 100. Then gross fixed capital formation again. I'm putting that also now. How much it is? 300. Then we have private final consumption expenditure, which is 900. Net exports, which is minus 50. Then subsidies, I don't need it right now. Government final consumption expenditure is 150. Mehak, are you there with us now? Okay. Moving on, rent is there 60. Then we have indirect taxes, I don't need right now. Interest 200. Then change in stock. Do I need to take it? Then compensation of employees, which is 400. And then I have profit 340. Consumption of fixed capital and net factor income from abroad, I will use it later on. As of now, all the important elements have been put into it. Net domestic product at factor cost as per income method is 1100. I will add NFIA in this. And bingo, we have our national income with us. Depreciation, consumption of fixed capital. Yes, I will take it, minus 50. Net indirect taxes. I have indirect taxes 250 and subsidies 50. So I will put 200 here. Net factor income from abroad is 50. And yes, we have the match. Both are equal to each other. Isn't it very interesting? I take it as a game, you know. Even accountancy, I used to take it as a game when balance sheet is to be matched. I hope you guys have understood this question as well.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm moving to question number 42 now. Question number 42. There are chances that the elements that we are going to use here are going to be different this time, because I haven't seen this question. Rent. Okay, we have to calculate GNP at FC. GNP at FC. So I'm excluding all these items from here. This is going to be something different this time. Income method and expenditure method. The result has to be same in this case as well. So one by one, I will put my things. Wages and salaries, they have said. Wages and salaries is a part of compensation of employees. Here in bracket, you can mention wages and salaries. Then how much it is? 800. Then you see mixed income of self-employed, that is 160. Operating surplus has been given this time. Operating surplus. So instead of all these items, actually, I'm taking operating surplus. And how much it is? 600. Done. Undistributed profits. Undistributed profits matlab retained earnings. And retained earnings means it is a part of profit. And profit is already a part of operating surplus. तो क्या बोलते हो मित्रों? लूं इसे और should I leave it? अभी तो नहीं लेते. चलो ठीक है, we should leave it. Then gross capital formation. Gross capital formation matlab it is gross domestic capital formation only. So I am taking it as it is, gross capital formation. Done. Change in stock I will not take. Net capital formation is also given. You know why this has been given? I feel that in this question they have not given depreciation. देखो check करो. Depreciation has not been.
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं दी हुई ना. So it means that the difference between these two is going to give me the depreciation. अब देखो हम कैसे calculate कर सकते हैं depreciation. Gross minus depreciation gives me net. अब मुझे gross दिया हुआ है कितना? 330. Net भी दिया हुआ है कितना? 300. Then what should be my depreciation in this case? बताओ. Gross minus depreciation is net.
30.
30.
Yes, should be 30. तो मैं इसको फिलहाल यहाँ लिख लेती हूँ. Depreciation they have given 30.
Ma'am, but why do we need to calculate depreciation if net capital formation is given?
Net capital formation is given. अभी कैलकुलेट करके रख लेते हैं, क्या पता काम आ जाए. क्योंकि दिया है तो कुछ ना कुछ इस्तेमाल तो होगा. देखो मैंने भी ये क्वेश्चन अभी तक देखा नहीं था. आई एम ऑल्सो डूइंग इट रैंडमली. So I am doing and calculating every possible requirement that is needed here. Okay, so I have done it at my end. अगर नहीं इस्तेमाल हुआ तो कोई बात नहीं. We have learned a new concept in this question at least. Okay. So net capital formation done. Employer's contribution is 100. See, wages and salaries was given. And they have employer's contribution also. So I will take it. How much it is? 100. This has become my compensation. This is total compensation, right? Then net factor income from abroad. अभी नहीं ले रही हूँ मैं. Exports and imports are given. So I need net exports here. How much it is? Exports minus imports. Done. Private final consumption expenditure. 1000. Done. Then government final consumption expenditure. 450. Okay. Net indirect taxes. Abhi I'm not taking. Compensation of employees paid by the government. इसका क्या करें? Compensation of employees paid by the government. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि it is already a part of government final consumption expenditure. So I should not take it here. Because if you remember when we were studying expenditure method, तो उसमें एक point आया था government final consumption expenditure में that any compensation that is being paid to the employees by the government is also a part of government final consumption expenditure. So I'm not taking it right now, crossing my fingers that maybe इसको हटा के यहाँ पर I will write gross capital formation. Maybe it is going to be useful. Understood? I think I have put all the relevant figures here. So this is giving me 1660 as domestic income. But I need to calculate GNP at factor cost. GNP at factor cost. अभी ये तो net है. This is net. I need to convert this into gross. So somebody asked me, ma'am, depreciation का क्या करना है? अब करना है. क्या करना है? We need to add depreciation. That is 30. Now I will get GDP at FC. Okay. D to N now. So I will add NFIA, net factor income from abroad, which is given in minus. Done. Now I have GNP at FC. GNP at FC. Yes, we got the answer. It's brilliant, no? This is our answer. इसको हटा देते हैं यहाँ से. Any doubt in income method?
Ma'am, please tell again how we have calculated depreciation.
Okay. Listen, gross was given. How much? 330. 330 was given. Okay. And net is also given. चलो पहले ये कर लेते हैं. इसमें से we deduct depreciation and then we get the net amount. Net is also given. You solve this equation. Gross capital formation was given 330 and net capital formation was also given 300. You solve this equation. What do you get? Gross minus depreciation is equal to net.
ठीक है ma'am. हो गया.
Done?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Here in depreciation, no, you can put a star or something which is going to utilized as like I'm putting a star here so that this star can be shown later on as a working note. here. यहाँ पर बाद में you can show it as a working note कि how have you calculated depreciation. That is, sorry, gross minus net. That's your depreciation. Later on, then put figures here. Gross was 330 minus 300, that is equal to your depreciation. This working note it has to be shown. Otherwise, how the examiner will get to know that you have calculated depreciation at your own? The examiner will feel कि either you have cheated or you have memorized this amount also. Now, coming back to our expenditure method. Expenditure method, if I see, it is giving me GDP at MP, that is 1750. Now, I need GNP at FC. For this, first of all, I will add NFIA, and that is minus 20. This will give me GNP at MP. Now I will deduct net indirect taxes. So what will I get? Hopefully I get. And how much is that? Bingo. Very good. We got the answer. Please have a look at it and let me know if you have any problem in this. After this, I'm going to stop my screen share and you will be doing questions till question number 42 only. Out of which I have done 2 questions already, so I'm leaving remaining, I guess, 4 questions on to you to solve yourselves. Meanwhile, we have some 6 minutes, few seconds with us in which you can talk to me, you can discuss any kind of problem or any matter with me, and I will also discuss my problems with you all. एक दूसरे के साथ अपने अपने दुख बांट के we will try to cope with each other in the next classes also. Should I come back? Should I start showing my face now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how it is done? Now how to come back? I don't know. Stop. No. I stopped my video. How to stop this?
Ma'am, we can see your face, by the way.
Oh, you can see my
Ma'am, there is an option over here. Stop sharing.
I don't
That red box.
I don't see that option.
Ma'am, it's near remaining meeting time.
Oh, yes. Thank you so much. Done. Good. Anyways, this is also getting recorded. You just let me know if there is any problem in all those questions that we have done till now. Today we could do only 2 questions because, no, 3 questions, I guess. 3 questions. Yes. So if there is any problem, please tell me. It's up to you now. You start speaking. I have stopped.
Not having any problem.
Understood? Everything? Anybody else? Anyone else who wants to say anything? Okay, Vishishta, are you still there with us? Yes, I could see Vishishta few. Yes, Vishishta is there. Vishishta, how are you? Mehak is also there with us. How about the other children? Why haven't they joined the class? today.